Composite Guide. Creating and managing composite recipes is an essential part of streamlining your workflow and ensuring consistent quality in your products. Composite recipes allow you to reuse preset combinations of ingredients across multiple recipes, saving time and maintaining accuracy. Follow these simple steps to set up and utilize composite ingredients and recipes in your system. Step 1. Set up composite ingredient. To set up the composite ingredient, go into the Ingredients page on the web admin, press the plus new button and create a composite ingredient. We will use this composite ingredient when we are creating the composite recipe. Step 2. Set up composite recipe. To set up the composite recipe, go to the recipe page on the web admin. Press the plus new button to create the composite recipe. Add the ingredients and set the temperature rule, then tick the composite option and select the composite ingredient you made in the first step. Step 3. Add main recipe with composite ingredients. With the composite recipes made and linked to the composite ingredients, we can add them to the main recipe. On the recipe page on the web admin and create a new recipe by pressing the plus new button. Select the composite ingredients you have made and set the recipe's temperature rules. Step 4. Create composite recipe on app. With the composite ingredients and recipes set up, they can now be accessed on the app. On the app, select Recipe, then select Create Recipe and select the composite recipe. Add the ingredient to the recipe and then save the batch by pressing the Save Recipe button. This will auto-create the composite ingredient for use. Step 5. Add composite ingredients to main recipe. To add the composite ingredients to the main recipe from the main menu, select the recipe, select Create Recipe, and select the recipe that uses the composite ingredients. Select the composite ingredients and press the Save Recipe button once you have added all ingredients. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize composite ingredients and recipes within your system, ensuring streamlined processes and consistent results. This approach not only saves time, but also enhances accuracy in managing recipes across your operations. Start implementing composite recipes today and experience the efficiency they bring to your workflow.